Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix crunchyroll buffering issue on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to use your Crunchyroll application since it keeps buffering, then the first thing to do is to check if you are connected to a stable internet connection. Poor and inconsistent internet connection might be the main reason why you're not being able to play content on your Crunchyroll app, so make sure to be connected to a stable internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and that might be able to solve the issue. The next thing to do is to open up settings on your Android device, tap it on. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. From the app list, search for Crunchyroll, and once you find it, tap it on. Tap the storage button and now tap on the clear cache button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you clear out your cache data, you can now go back to Crunchyroll app and see if that fixes the issue. If that worked for you, then that's great. If it still does not work, the next thing you can do is to check for available updates for your Crunchyroll app. Tap open Play Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Crunchyroll. Once you perform your search, if you see an update button popping up right next to Crunchyroll, that means you've got to download the application's latest version. Simply tap on update, and once you've downloaded the app's latest version, simply tap open the app and see if that fixes the issue. If it still does not work, go to account button at the bottom right, scroll all the way down and tap on log out. Once you log out of your Crunchyroll app, log in back again, enter your credentials and tap on the login button, open up a content and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever your Crunchyroll app keeps buffering whenever you're trying to play any kind of a video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.